Hello everyone. Today we are going to check that how better this both AI, ChatGPT or Bing, who can give better answers. So we will go through both technical and creative part and try to utilize them. So without wasting the time, let's start. So as you can say, so first we can see that if I write hi, then it can generate such response that hello, how may I assist you today. Let's write hi on B and let's check. So I write hi on Bing and let's wait for the answers. So hello, this is Bing, how can I help you today? So quite good answer, so almost similar. So let's ask something technical to ChatGPT or Bing and then compare the results. So I'm going to ask something related to data science or data analytics. So as my domain was that. So let's ask ChatGPT to create a sample data set. So let me write the prompt, create a sample dataset. So as I input the prompt, so it can answer me that it's answer that sure I can help you to create a sample dataset. What kind of data are you interested in? Do you have any specific requirements or format in mind? Let me know. So suppose I just give him give it an instruction that suppose I want to perform EDA. So now you can see that this guy started to generate a sample data set for EDA. So which is really great. So it's really intelligent. So it generated a data set which is appropriate for EDA. So now let's ask the same question to Bing. Create a sample data set. Let's see what Bing comes up with. So Bing also started to uh, write or created a sample data set. So let give Bing's more specific instruction that I want to perform EDL. So create according to that. So I have given Bing an instruction so to come up with a better result. So now Bing has started to write again, and let's see what. Sure, here's a sample data set you can use. So let's look at the data set. So age, gender, income, city, age, gender, income, city. Okay, great. Now as I input the same prompt in both the uh, AI, I think ChatGPT's answer is quite better than Bing because it also explains the columns and the data comes in a tabular format. So it's really great. It's really great. So let's ask something more difficult. So uh, put that data into a CSV file, or let me ask to create this guy a CSV file. Create a sample. CSV file. Let's look at it. So it's gives me the Python code by which we can create a sample CSV file. So the name of the file was given with the customer data CSV, and it's also give me the codes for the SQL. So overall, it's a great, means kudos to ChatGPT. And let's ask Bing create a sample CSV file, and let's look at the response. So Bing has started. So now Bing has created a CSV file. You can save this text to a file with the .csv extension, then open it in a program like this, and whatever else are you looking for. So I think in such a question, I think Bing's answer is somewhere smarter than ChatGPT. So because ChatGPT provides the codes, but Bing come up with some comma data which we can store anywhere and just name the file as .csv, change the format, and it will become a CSV file. So I think in creativity, Bing got ahead. So let's ask something regarding EDA. Can ChatGPT do something? So let's ask ChatGPT that okay, what type of EDA. So let's ask some random. So what kind of chart I can make from this data? Let's ask ChatGPT. So here's the answer. So you can create various types of charts from the customer data depending on the questions you want to answer through EDA. So it can gives an if the answer is smart, there is no doubt. It gives me the attributes by which I can create some charts. So let's ask the same to Bing. So what kind of chart I can create from this? Let's see what Bing gives us. So now Bing started. So the same. So ages of the individual bar chart and also distributions, pie chart, different cities and column chart. So well, I think the data set which ChatGPT has given to us was some sort of advanced data set, and Bing gives us very simple data set, but the answer in both AI was great. Nothing really of course or something. So it's great answer, no doubt. So let's ask something about code. So write time series code for Arima. Let's see what it does. So here the code is, so it started to write the code, and yeah, it's gives us the right code. So great. So it can give us the right code also. Let's ask the same for Bing, and let's see that what's the answer we got from Bing. So Let's start. It's start. It's right. It's going right. Many things. So let's ask Bing. Write time series code for Arima. So time series code for Arima. Let's see what Bing comes up with. So here's the answer. So Bing has also started to write the code. So there's one thing I must say, that ChatGPT gives us a better answer. Now why? So as per the loading of the data set, and it's created a basic visualizations of time series data, date and value, and then plot predicted value, forecast, print result summary, where Bing's just gives us very simple, nothing much. So I think in such a case, I think ChatGPT's answer is far more better than Bing in terms of technical answers. Let's ask some creative answers. So creative answer part will be comes later, but we can see there is no doubt that technical answers are better in ChatGPT. I think, yeah, obviously Bing is also doing great, but some improvements are needed in Bing to compete with ChatGPT, because it's the explanations is provided by ChatGPT is far more clear and far more better than whatever is provided by Bing. So do you like the video? So if you like the video, then please share the video and also subscribe us. So see you in the next